Now proceed to exercise 4, part 1, trade discount from chapter trade and cash discount on question 4. An invoice of 3660 including trade charges of 230 is offered a trade discount of 18%. What is the payment to settle the invoice? Okay, so now we have an invoice of 3660 including trade charges of 330. Okay, then we have here trade discount of 18%. The question is what is the payment? Okay, if we have the question, okay, an invoice including of any charges, so first we have to find the list price. Okay, so list price is 3660 minus, okay, the charges. So the charges is 330. So we have the list price is 3430. Okay, then we have here the charge of 330. So here, okay, our charge is RM 230. Okay, then we have trade discount rate of 18%. That is rate. Our R 18% convert into decimal 0.18. Okay, so the first step we have to find the net price. Okay, so NPL1 minus R. Okay, this price is 3430. 1 minus R 0.18. Okay, so calculate the net price first. So what is our net price? Okay, so we have here 3430. Then 1 minus 0.18. Okay, so what is our answer? Okay, convert into decimal 2812.6. 2812.6. Okay, next, okay, we have to find our payment. So, what is our payment? Okay, payment is our net price 2812.6 plus, okay, what is our charge? 230. So here plus 230. So total payment here is RM 3042.6.